Hello students, welcome in Advait Education channel. Today we are going to solve miscellaneous problem set 2. First question. Angela deposited 15,000 rupees in a bank at a rate of 9 PCPA. She got simple interest amounting to 5,400 rupees. For how many years had she deposited the amount? See, this question is from chapter number 10, Bank and Simple Interest. Here first we will write down what is given. Here 15,000 means I is given. Sorry, P. 15,000 means P. 15,000 rupees. What is given? R is given 9 PCPA. And what is given? I is given 5,400 rupees. Here what you have to find? Time. Here we are using formula simple interest. I is equal to P into R into T upon 100. Now put the values. I is 5,400 is equal to P is 15,000 into R is 9 into T divided by 100. Here 0, 0, 0, 0 cancel. Now what is remaining? 5,400 is equal to 150 into 9 into T means 5,400. ये 150 इंटू 9 यहाँ पे क्या है? मल्टीप्लाई है. इज इक्वल टू साइन के अपोजिट साइड जाएगा तो क्या हो जाएगा? डिवाइड. मीन्स 150 इंटू 9 इज इक्वल टू टी. अगेन हियर 100 कैंसल. what is remaining? Now here 9 1s are 9, 9 6s are 54 and this 0 as it is. And here 15 1s are 15, 15 4s are 60. Means T is equal to 4. T is equal to 4 years. Therefore, Angela had deposited the amount for 4 years. 4 years. Second question. 10 men take 4 days to complete the task of tearing a road. How many days would 8 men take? This question is from direct proportion and inverse proportion. Here 10 people are completing work in 4 days and 8 people are completing work in how many days? वो हमें find out करना है. So let us suppose that 8 men required X days to tar the road. Now men and days. 10 men completing work in 4 days. 8 men are completing work in X days. This is which proportion? Inverse proportion. Now write down this is in inverse proportion. Now write down the equation. 10 into 4 is equal to 8 into x. 10 into 4 means 40 is equal to, sorry यहाँ पे x है, 8x. Here 8 are multiply is equal to साइन के अपोजिट साइड जाएगा तो क्या हो जाएगा? डिवाइड. मीन्स 40 divided by 8 इज इक्वल टू एक्स. 8 1 जा 8, 8 5 जा 40 मीन्स x इज इक्वल टू 5. x हमने किसको कंसिडर किया था? डेज required for complete the work of 8 men. Therefore, 8 men will require 5 days to tar the road. Nasruddin and Mahesh invested rupees 40,000 and 60,000 respectively to start a business. They made a profit of 30%. How much profit did each of them make? Here first we will find out the total investment. Total investment कितनी है? Total investment, total amount invested कितनी है? टोटल अमाउंट 40,000 प्लस 60,000 and their addition is 1 lakh. 1 lakh rupees. प्रॉफिट अर्न, कितना प्रॉफिट हुआ है उनको? 30%. प्रॉफिट अर्न is equal to 30%. Now we will find out the total profit. Therefore, total profit is equal to 30% of investment is 1 lakh, means 30% of 1 lakh. How to write 30%? 30 divided by 100 multiply by this 1 lakh. Here 0 0 0 0 cancel, means what is remaining? 30 into 1 2 3 1000. 30 into 1000 means 30,000 rupees, means their total profit is 30,000 rupees. How much profit did each of them make? मतलब नसरुद्दीन और महेश दोनों को कितना प्रॉफिट मिला है वो सेपरेटली हमें फाइंड आउट करना है. मीन्स प्रोपोर्शन ऑफ इन्वेस्टमेंट, इज इक्वल टू नसरुद्दीन की कितनी है? 40,000 एज टू महेश की कितनी है? 60,000. Here 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 0 cancel. Now what is remaining? 4 is to 6. 2 से डिवाइड करते हैं, then 2 2 जा 4, 2 3 जा 6, means 2 is to 3. Let Nasruddin's profit be नसरुद्दीन का प्रॉफिट है 2x and Mahesh profit is 3x. Therefore, total 2x plus 3x is equal to total profit is 30,000. 2x plus 3x 5x is equal to 30,000, means x is equal to 30,000 divided by 5. 30,000 divided by 5 means x is equal to 6,000. तो ये x की वैल्यू हम नसरुद्दीन के प्रॉफिट में और महेश के प्रॉफिट में पुट करेंगे. नसरुद्दीन्स प्रॉफिट Therefore, Nasruddin's profit is equal to 2x is equal to 2 into value of x is 6,000, means 2 into 6,000 means 12,000 rupees, and Mahesh's profit is equal to 3x, means 3 into 6,000 means 18,000 rupees. Therefore, profit of Nasruddin and Mahesh are 12,000 and 18,000 rupees respectively. Fourth question, the diameter of a circle is 5.6 centimeter. Find its circumference. Diameter is given 5.6 centimeter and you can find out the circumference. Here diameter is given, then we are using the formula C is equal to pi d. Value of pi is 22 upon 7. This value is fixed. 22 upon 7 multiplied by 5.6. 22 upon 7 multiplied by 56 upon 10. ये जो डेसिमल पॉइंट है वो शिफ्ट किया और नीचे 10. Here 7 1 जा 7, 7 8 जा 56, 2 5 जा 10, 2 4 जा 8, means 22, 4 जा 88, 88 divided by 5, 5 1 जा 5, 5 1 जा 5, 3 are remaining, means 38, 5 7 जा 35, again 3 are remaining, 0, 5 6 जा 30, means your answer is 17.6 centimeter. Therefore, the circumference of the circle is 17.6 centimeter. Question number 5. Expand 2a minus 3b bracket square. Here a is equal to 2a and b is equal to 3b. Here we are using formula a minus b bracket square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. This formula you are using to solve this problem. First write down the problem. 2a minus 3b bracket square is equal to a square. A means 2a square minus 2b. Sorry, 2a. A means 2a into b. B means 3b plus b square means 3b square. 2 square is 4. A square. 4a square minus 2 2 za 4. 4 3 za 12. AB. 12 AB plus 3 square is 9 B square. Therefore, 2a minus 3b bracket square is equal to 4a square minus 12ab plus 9b square. This is your answer. Next question. 10 plus y bracket square. Here a is equal to 10 and b is equal to y. Here we are using formula a plus b bracket square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. First write down the question. 10 plus y bracket square is equal to a square. A means 10. 10 square plus 2 into a means 10 into b means y plus b square means y square. 10 का स्क्वायर है 100 प्लस 2 इंटू 10 20. 20 इंटू वाई मीन्स 20y plus y square means your answer 10 plus y bracket square is equal to 100 plus 2y 100 plus 20y 20y plus y square. Third question, p upon 3 plus q upon 4 bracket square. Here a is equal to p upon 3 and b is equal to q upon 4. Here we are using formula a plus b bracket square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. First write down the question. P upon 3 plus q upon 4 bracket square is equal to a square. A means p upon 3 bracket square plus 2 into a means p upon 3 into b means q upon 4 plus b square means q upon 4 bracket square. P square upon 3 square is 9 means p square upon 9 plus 2pq upon 4 3s are 12 plus q upon 4 square is 16. Q square upon 16. This first term as it is p square upon 9 plus here 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12 means what is remaining pq upon 6 plus q square upon 16. P upon 3 plus q upon 4 bracket square. Here a is equal to y and b is equal to 3 upon y. Here we are using formula a minus b bracket square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Y minus 3 upon y bracket square is equal to a square. A means y square minus 2 into a means y into b means 3 upon y plus b square. B means 3 upon y square. Y square minus 3 2s are 6 and here y cancel. Means y square minus 6 plus 3 square is 9 upon y square. Means y minus 3 upon y bracket square is equal to y square minus 6 plus 9 upon y square. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.